If you're a woman rebuilding after divorce here in the Omaha metro area and you're thinking about purchasing a home, this video may protect you from making a decision you'll later regret. Many, too many women rush through this process and quietly wish they had not. Buying a home after divorce can feel like a fresh start. Yes, it can. What woman doesn't want a symbol of strength and a step forward? But what is rarely talked about is many women regret their first purchase after divorce. Not because they failed, but because they were working to move forward before they had complete clarity. Today, we're talking about how to avoid that regret, especially if you are navigating housing decisions here in Omaha. Why this topic matters. Many women searching how to buy a home after divorce are often focused on logistics, credit, down payment, mortgage approval, and finding listings. Beautiful blessings, regret rarely comes from the paperwork. It comes from emotional misalignment, rushing decisions, and choosing a home that does not support stability. This video is here to slow the process down, not stop the progress, but to strengthen it. Here are 4 common reasons women regret buying after divorce. Buying quickly to prove independence. Choosing only based on budget, not lifestyle. Ignoring emotional readiness signs. And overcommitting to maintenance when already emotionally fatigued. None of these are failures. They are understandable decisions made under pressure. But beautiful blessing, wisdom allows us to make different choices. This channel exists to help women rebuild life after divorce here in the Omaha area. I'm Lynetta Anderson, your local real estate agent with Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Ambassador Real Estate. I provide faith-aligned encouragement, informed housing guidance so that you can move forward with clarity, guidance, and peace, not pressure. Beautiful blessing, let's apply practical guidance. Ask yourself these questions. Am I choosing calm or choosing escape? Does this home support the life I'm rebuilding now? Am I prepared for the upkeep this property requires? Do I feel settled when I imagine living here, or do I feel tension? This is not overthinking. This is discernment, and discernment protects you from regret. Carissa, our beautiful example, she purchased a home she could afford after divorce. It felt like progress. But within months, the maintenance felt overwhelming, the space felt isolated, and the choice felt heavy. Not because she was unwise, but because the timing and support were misaligned. And beautiful blessing, this is exactly what we want to prevent. Buying a home after divorce should feel grounded, not pressured, thoughtful, not rushed, stable, not uncertain. Beautiful blessing, clarity leads to confidence. Wisdom leads to peace. And patience protects your future. This is important. Take heed and make sure you are listening, beautiful blessing. If you would like guidance tailored toward your situation, feel free to schedule a discovery call below. No pressure, just support and clarity. You're not late, you're not behind, you're not failing because you are being careful. You are becoming wise in how you build your next chapter, and that is stability in the making. If you're navigating buying a home after divorce here in Omaha and want guidance rooted in clarity and wisdom, subscribe to continue this series. New videos are released each week for women rebuilding intentionally after divorce. Watch next, Buying a Home After Divorce in Omaha. emotional triggers that impact your decisions. Subscribe for guidance for women rebuilding after divorce.